So I just bought a 6-pack of the HPA300 HEPA air purifier filters. This is for Honeywell air purifiers in this size range. So I was looking for these. I was doing some product research the other day. Obviously, you can get generic filters. And, they claim to do a decent job. But, dude, this one is thick. You can tell it's going to do what it says it's going to do. It gives you clear directions with the airflow. I love that I got a 6-pack for the number I paid. To me, it's an incredible value, especially because, dude, listen, there's places to cut corners, but not on your air, dude. They're trying to destroy the air. We need to clean the air. So if you're looking for replacement air purifiers, I got a 6-pack for an incredible price. But here's the thing. The real reason I went with these over other generic brands or whatever is there's 3,000 at the time of making this. There's over 3,000 4.8 star reviews. I mean, if I ever find just a couple hundred with 4-star reviews, I feel great about it. This makes me feel insane about it because there's thousands of people giving written reviews about how amazing these are. It's also selling over 2,000 per month. So that's the reason I went with it. I think you probably will too.